we have different types of options. We have 300 participants. So if I select this one, it is a meeting format. If you observe, only 300 participants. If I select this one, 500 participants for a Zoom webinar. It is not a meeting webinar, Zoom webinar. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create a workshop or webinar or weekly call in TagMango free account. Moreover, I will show you the difference between free and white labeled account. First thing first, in free account, we don't have any Zoom provided by the TagMango. So we should have some Zoom account purchased privately outside TagMango. That we should have. And the second requirement is we should have one membership or Mango where we have collected our customers or students that we should have. These are two requirements mandatorily for free account. This is my free dashboard. So friends, I want to create one workshop for this speed reading and focus memory mastery. So let me go here. So in the top page, we have workshops. Click on that one, then schedule a workshop. So friends, it will ask you the title. So if you want to invite your existing members, then you can mention weekly recharge call, upload some image. Then friends, it is a free platform. So it is showing we need to enter some custom Google Meet or Zoom link. So select the time. I'm going to use something. So it should be around 2 hours. Take that one. And here we should give the external meeting link because we don't have access to TagMango links. So if you see here, we don't have any access. So that's why we should give some external link. So I'm giving this one, and then we should enter the students. So our course is this one, right? If you want to exclude the members who are other courses, then you can select that one. It is also fine if they are mutual in different membership. Then you can also give some description. Continue. So friends, ensure the date and time. Date is correct, time is correct, and AM PM, that is also fine. So if you want to conduct a recurring workshop, then you can also enable this one and select that whether it is a weekly or daily. Select that one. So friends, right now there are no students, so just submit it. So this is the link where you want to send to your customers. You can share this link through WhatsApp group, WhatsApp community if you have. Otherwise, TagMango has default email settings. So that is before 24 hours, before 15 minutes. Like this, it will send. You can also customize this one. So if you want to customize, you can also do that. Custom email sending by including that weekly call. Now coming to the white label thing, I will show you. So friends, if you see here in the white label, we have different types of options. We have 300 participants. So if I select this one, it is a meeting format. If you observe, only 300 participants. If I select this one, 500 participants for a Zoom webinar. It is not a meeting webinar. Zoom webinar means other people can't see how many are there. If I want to use, I can also use the custom thing. So friends, better I have this one, right? So I go to the Zoom webinar. So see here, it is not asking the external link, directly asking link memberships, right friends? So that is the only difference when compared to free and paid version. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.